Welcome back to the Data Janitor. My name is Mike West and thanks for joining me. This video is part of a series on a data warehouse called Snowflake. We've covered enough to begin looking at the interface. If you haven't already, just navigate to the Snowflake homepage and create an account. It's a simple process and you'll get a trial period for free. Snowflake is a cloud data warehouse, and almost all the work you'll do will be completed through a cloud interface. Most data interfaces have 3 panes. Now, I'm using the word P-A-N-E, not P-A-I-N. You'll get plenty of the second one when you begin administrating in the real world. Once you've logged into the interface, this is what you'll see. Currently, there are 2 interfaces you can use, the newest one and the classic one. I'm going to teach the classic one first. I like it better. Snowflake calls these 3 major panes a worksheet. The pane on the left is used to browse objects in your database. Recall in an earlier video, I said that a database is nothing more than a collection of objects. Well, this pane is where you navigate through those objects. The next pane we're going to call the code pane. In this pane, you'll type in your SQL code. The third and final pane is the output window. This is where you'll see results when you execute your code. You can create another worksheet by simply clicking on the plus symbol beside the existing worksheet. Notice what happens when you click on the plus symbol. The 3 panes are created again. These panes work in concert with one another. On the code pane, you have 4 buttons. They set the context for a new worksheet. We're going to dig into those later. For now, we need to stay at a high level. The big takeaway here is that those 3 core panes work in conjunction with one another. Let's navigate to the top of our window. You'll notice a bunch of icons. Let's talk about the icons in this ribbon. The first icon is a database icon. When you click on it, you'll see a list of databases in your account. Again, as long as you have access to those databases. We're going to talk about access in depth later. For now, know that the top level access is the account admin role. On this screen, you can create, clone, drop, and transfer the ownership of any of your databases. Next up is the shares icon. Secure data sharing enables sharing selected objects in a database in your account with other Snowflake accounts. Sharing means I can share my databases with people outside of my company. The next icon is the data marketplace. This page takes you to the marketplace where you can purchase other vendor products. Maybe I need some consumer demographic information. I can purchase it here. The next tab is the warehouses tab. Recall in the architectural video we talked about the compute layer. Well, this is where you create a virtual warehouse for your needs. On the top of the table, you can see the actions of what you can do with each warehouse. The next icon is Worksheets. This icon does the same thing as the plus button beside an existing worksheet. It creates a new worksheet. The next icon is History. This provides you with a history of all the queries executed. This does include queries run by others also, if you have administrator access. Lastly, the Account tab provides us with information about our account. That one's self-explanatory. On the right-hand side are 4 more icons. The first is Partner Connect. Here you can buy data from other vendors. The Help button is also self-explanatory. The Notifications button allows you to create notifications when a specific event happens. Data pipelines are important. Let's say you want to create an alert to notify you if a pipeline fails. You can do that with notifications. The final button on the far right-hand side of the screen is Snowsight. This is a new interface for Snowflake. Right now, you can switch back and forth between the new and what they call the classic interface. We've covered a lot of new information here. If you missed anything, simply watch the video again. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.